Uh, Letter C, what do we mean by cutting in, folding in, crimping, and docking? Cutting in refers to the process of incorporating solid fats such as butter, shortening, or lard into flour and other dry ingredients until the fat begins to coat the flour and the fat pieces are extremely tiny. And the next is crimping. Crimping is the artful of folding of the edge of a dough. And then the docking means a pie tart crust is docked by the or by pricking it with a fork all over to allow steam to exit while baking. And the last, folding in, means it refers to the process of blending light and heavy components or mixtures in baking.